Namaste and hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Nepali with Barsha. This is me, Barsha Basnet, your Nepali language tutor. After a long time, I'm uploading a new video, and this video is on name of animals and birds. Animal in Nepali is called janawar, and bird is called chara. So today we will learn the name of animals and birds. जनावरहरूको नाम अनि चराहरूको नाम. Before moving forward, if you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel, and if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button. Now, without any delay, let's move on to our session on name of animals and birds. And the first animal is dog, which is kukur. Now, the next one is cat. Biralo. You can also repeat after me. Now, next animal is horse. Ghoda. Now the next one is rabbit. Kharayo. Pig. Sungur. Donkey. Gatha. Goat. Bakra. Sheep. Bheda. Cow. Guy. Cow is also the national animal of Nepal. Now, moving forward, mule. Khachar. In Nepal, you can see khachar in the Himalayan region. They are also used as means of transportation in the Himalayan region. Now, the next one is buffalo. Bhaisi. Camel. Oot. Next one is ox. Goru. Rat. Musa. Yak. Chauri guy. Yes, again you can find chauri guy in the Himalayan region of Nepal. The cheese of chauri guy is really famous here. The next one is bull. Sadhe. Lion. Siha. tiger, bag, 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 wolf, boaso, 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 fox, स्याल, 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 leopard, चितुवा, चितुवा, चितुवा. Again, dear student, you can follow after me. Giraffe. In Nepali language, the word for giraffe is just giraffe. Giraffe. Elephant. Hathi. 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 Monkey. Badar. 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 In Nepal, we also have a temple called Monkey Temple, which is another name for Swayambhunath. If you come and visit Swayambhunath, you can see thousands of monkeys around the periphery of temple. Rhinoceros, Gaida, 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 and one-horned rhinoceros is very famous here in Nepal and in India. You can see this animal in Chitwan National Park. Crocodile, Gohi, Gohi, Gohi. Now the next one is wild boar, Jangali sungur, Jangali sungur, Jangali sungur. Zebra, we just say zebra in Nepali, zebra. The next one is bear, bhalu, bhalu, bhalu. Deer, hiran, hiran, hiran. The next one is snake, sarpa, sarpa, sarpa. Some people also say sarpa, sarpo, or sap. These all three words means snake. Squirrel, lokharke, lokharke, lokharke. Mongoose, न्याउरी मुसा, न्याउरी मुसा, न्याउरी मुसा. Chimpanzee, वन मान्छे, वन मान्छे, वन मान्छे. Jackal, फ्याउरो, फ्याउरो, फ्याउरो. Okay, dear student, now let me ask you a question. What's your favorite animal? तपाईलाई मनपर्ने जनावर कुन हो? तपाईलाई मनपर्ने जनावर कुन हो? And you can answer this question in this pattern. मलाई मनपर्ने जनावर and the name of animals हो. Personally, my favorite animal is squirrel. मलाई मन पर्ने जनावर लोखर्के हो. Now, please do let me know what's your favorite animal. And for this, please leave a comment below. Now, let's move to our second half, which is name of birds. The first bird is Lophophorus. Dafe. Again, dear student, you can follow after me. Dafe. Dafe. And Lophophorus or Dafe is our national bird. It means Dafe is the national bird of Nepal. Moving forward, pigeon, Parewa, Parewa, Parewa. Sparrow, Bhagera, Bhagera, Bhagera. Hen, Kukura, Kukura, Kukura. Duck, Haas, Haas, Haas. Quail, Buttai, Buttai, Buttai. Eagle, Cheel, Cheel, Cheel. Vulture, Githa, Githa, Githa. Parrot, Suga, Suga, Suga. Woodpecker, Cutfora, Cutfora, Cutfora. Crow, Kag, Kag, Kag. Cuckoo, Koili, Koili, Koili. Dove, Dukkur, Dukkur, Dukkur. Owl, Lato Cosero, Lato Cosero, Lato Cosero. Crane, Saros, Saros, Saros. Heron, Bakullo, Bakullo, Bakullo. Bat, Chamero, Chamero, Chamero. Though bat is not kept under the bird category, I have kept here so that you can know one more vocabulary in Nepali. Bat, Chamero. Now, personally, again, my favorite bird is parrot. Malai मन पर्ने चरा सुगा हो. So please do let me know what's your favorite bird. तपाईलाई मन पर्ने चरा कुन हो? And you can comment down below as मलाई मन पर्ने चरा and the name of bird हो. Okay everyone, with this we have completed today's session. I hope this session was informative for you with lots of new vocabulary. And without forgetting, please do let me know what's your favorite animal and what's your favorite bird in the comment box below. Again, it's a humble request, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe it, and if this video was useful for you, please hit the like button as well. Namaste everyone, see you in the next video.